Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and we're here sa Computex 2019 at the ASUS ROG booth, and I've seen the ROG Mothership for the third time. Okay, this is the third day and I've seen the ROG Mothership for the third time, but until now I'm still amazed with how the ROG Mothership was made. I mean, I like the technology of it, I like the looks of it. It's like a Surface Pro with the ROG feel and also the GPU for gaming, and also the Core i9 CPU. Don't forget the Core i9 CPU with the 9980 HK CPU, and then there's the GeForce RTX 2080. I'm sorry, it's a 2080 GPU, and then of course there's a 17.3-inch 4K, or it's either 4K or a full HD display. So when you get the 4K display, you get a 60 Hz display. I actually don't want that one. I prefer the full HD IPS level display with 144 Hertz refresh rate with 3 ms, and of course we got here a RAM up to 64 gigs. We're not sure yet about the other variants that will be coming in the Philippines, but this one starts at, I believe, 3,499 or 350,000 pesos in the Philippines. You can check that out on my website, and of course the dimensions is quite big. It's a 41 by 32 by 2.9 centimeters, and it weighs at 48 kilograms. Okay, so why is the Mothership really cool? I mean, bakit siya maganda? Well, first we got here the included keyboard that you can actually use. So I could actually remove the Strix player for a bit, but you can actually use this one. Let's remove this one. You can actually use this like this by plugging it right here, or you can actually use it wirelessly. And yes, you get a touchpad that you could use, that comes with a number pad. We've seen that one on the ROG Zephyrus. Then we got here the AuraSync keyboard. And yeah, there's a lot of things that you could do. But if you want, you could actually use your other keyboard like this one. So we are using the Strix player over here, which is better compared to the default keyboard of the ROG Mothership. And yes, this one is actually pretty good for gaming. And then of course you can plug in your mouse over here. We also got here a lot of ports. So this one, I'm actually pretty nervous that I'm moving this one because this is a 350,000 pesos device. Okay, so we got two power ports because this one is really powerful. They need a lot of power. We also got here an HDMI cable. I'm not sure if you can see that one, but we also got here a USB 3.0, and another one is a USB Type-C. And we also got here the audio jack and also the SD card slot over here. I'm sorry, this is not the audio jack. Sorry, this is not the audio jack. You can just screw this one if you wanted to, but there's the SD card over here. On the other side, we got here, sorry, this one is pretty big, so I need to move this one on the sides. There we go. On the other side, we got here, woof, I'm actually pretty nervous that I'm moving this one. So this one comes with two USB 3.1 over here. We got here the LAN port. We got here the microphone jack. We got here the microphone and the headphone jack. And also we got here another USB and another one for USB Type-C. And what I like about it is that this one comes with a stand similar to the Microsoft Surface, and this one is pretty flexible. Despite the 4.8 kilograms weight of this one, the stand of this one can handle most of the, well, it's actually flexible. So pwede siyang ma-handle whether gusto mo pang medyo angled if you wanted to. So yan, medyo angled. So you can adjust this one. This is a great desktop replacement. And yes, it's an ROG, so it's not the same caliber as the Surface Pro, but well, the weight isn't portable. You know, it's 4.8 kilograms. It's bigger than the Surface Pro 3 or the Surface Pro 4. But the thing here is that we got the ROG branding in here. We got a very powerful hardware inside, but it's a desktop replacement that you can bring anywhere. So yeah, I guess that's it for our short, very quick hands-on of the ASUS ROG Mothership. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, well, you can subscribe to my channel below. You can see that button. Of course, don't forget to like my Facebook page. So once again, I'm Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thanks for watching our hands-on of the ASUS ROG Mothership.